Visual: the Wayfarer drifts through a dense nebular cloud and emerges into a glowing star system. One planet, half shrouded in mist, emits faint pulses of color into space. Voiceover: Zara. We were chasing a faint energy echo, but we weren't ready for what we'd find, because this planet sings back. The camera zooms in on floating luminous creatures, the size of buildings, gently pulsing above the planet's surface like jellyfish in slow motion. Strange harmonic sound patterns echo through space, felt more than heard. The crew descends into the atmosphere in a small shuttle. Visibility is poor, clouds swirl in hues of teal and violet. Luna explains, on a tablet, the atmosphere's electromagnetic field is unusually charged. These creatures don't just float, they're superconducting on a planetary scale. Trixie: this is it, my big moment, first contact with giant space floaties. She tries mimicking their movement and sound using an alien translation device, but the creatures respond by creating holographic mirages of the crew's past experiences. Humor: Zara appears mid-high school talent show. Milo sees his failed cooking attempt float by like a ghost. Trixie thinks it's a communication method, not realizing it's memory feedback. Visuals: the clouds thin, revealing a massive, partially buried alien temple in the shape of a crystallized waveform. The glowing creatures spiral around it in a rhythmic dance, creating pulses of gravity and color in tune with their movement. Luna theorizes, these giants, they may not be animals. They're sentient constructs, guardians or remnants of a civilization that encoded knowledge in electromagnetic pulses. The crew records the songs, realizing they form mathematical patterns, possibly a map or warning. The planet's unstable electromagnetic fields begin intensifying. Trixie tries to sync the shuttle's output to the creature's pulse frequency. It works briefly, calming the field. Milo accidentally sings along, causing the creatures to mirror his off-key tone, triggering a glowing light storm of laughter-like pulses. The crew escapes just in time as the planet begins resetting its pulse field, possibly to hide itself again. Back aboard the Wayfarer, they analyze the creature's pulse pattern data. It shows a constellation no longer visible in the current night sky. Zara, log entry. They were singing about something lost, a civilization, or maybe a warning. Either way, we'll be listening. Final shot: one of the glowing giants follows the ship briefly, releasing a single melodic tone before vanishing into the clouds.